Hey everyone, welcome back to RackNerd TV. Today we are diving into a major shakeup in the web hosting industry. A parent company called World Host Group has acquired A2Hosting. What does this mean for the industry? Who is really behind this acquisition, and why do hosting acquisitions often spell trouble for customers? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about World Host Group. They may not be a household name, but they are a large conglomerate that has acquired more than 25 hosting brands. And behind them making all this financially possible is actually a capital firm called Oakley Capital. Oakley Capital is an equity firm that specializes in buying up companies, restructuring them, and often, let's be honest, raising prices or cutting costs. If that name sounds familiar, it is because they were also behind the acquisition of cPanel, which led to significant price increases for web hosting companies worldwide. Eventually, they split cPanel off to web pros. Speaking of cPanel, before 2019, cPanel had a simple flat rate pricing model of around $25 to $35 per month per user. With unlimited accounts, this made it affordable for hosting providers and customers of all sizes. But after Oakley Capital took over, they completely overhauled the pricing structure. Instead of a flat fee, they introduced a per account pricing model, meaning the more accounts that you have on a server, the more you pay. And it didn't stop there. Since then, cPanel has implemented annual price increases to both its partners and customers, forcing hosting companies to either absorb the cost or pass them on to the customers. Clearly, these moves weren't made with the best interests of the hosting community in mind. Instead, they prioritized shareholders and investors, squeezing every dollar out of the product. This is an unfortunate example of what happens when private equity firms take control. Profit becomes the main focus and customers pay the price. This isn't the first time a well-known hosting company has been acquired by a large group. Remember HostGator? Once known for its affordability and reliability, HostGator was acquired by Endurance International Group and now known as Newfold Digital. After that acquisition, companies reported declining support quality, a shift to outsource support instead of in-house support, and service issues. Many longtime users moved on to other providers, frustrated by the changes. The sad reality is these acquisitions often result in cost-cutting measures, whether that's reducing staff, outsourcing support, or increasing prices. Will prices go up next? Will support quality decline? Time will tell, but for now, all we can do is speculate based on previous patterns in this industry. If you're an A2Hosting customer, you might be wondering, should I be worried? For now, things may seem the same, but in the long run, acquisitions like this tend to impact customer experience, whether it's price hike, changes to service policies, or longer wait times for support. Hosting industry history suggests that customers often don't come out ahead in these types of deals. On the other hand, if you're more risk tolerant, it may be okay to stick around and see what happens before making any decisions to move somewhere else. In the event that you are ever looking for a reliable hosting provider that isn't owned by a venture capitalist firm or a giant conglomerate, check out RackNerd. We're privately owned, which means no outside investors pushing for price hikes or service cuts. And the best of all, we're an Inc. 5000 company, meaning we are financially stable and growing the right way by putting customers first. I'll leave a link in the description down below this video to some of our reseller hosting deals. And they're all powered by the cPanel control panel that you're already familiar with. Let me know in the comments what you think about this acquisition. Do you think it will be good for A2Hosting customers, or do you see trouble ahead? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more hosting industry updates right here on RackNerd TV. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.